Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss insurance for DIY home theater installation. The first one is why insure your DIY home theater. Accident happen from accident accidental damage to deathful unfrozen event can occur. Insurance act as a safety net to cover repair or replacement cost. Insurance may not be enough, while your home insurance may cover some effects. A deducted policies for your home theater ensure comprehensive protection. The second one is type of insurance to consider. Cover damage or loss of your audio visual equipment, including speakers, projectors, and screen. The first one is liability insurance. Protects your and causes someone injured while in your home theater space. Second step is installation insurance, specifically designed for DIY project. This cover may damage caused during the installation process. The third one is choosing the right coverage. Take inventory of your home theater equipment. Determine its overall value. Ensure your insure coverage aligns with this value. The second step, consider if you plan to upgrade your system. Chooses a policies that can be adjusted to recommended editions for to your home theater. The fourth one is finding the right insurance provider. Spe- specialized provider. Look for an insurer that specializes in electronics or home entertainment system to ensure a better understanding of your unique needs.